If your mt5 charts are showing the wrong time or you just want to match your local time zone, here's what you need to know to edit and adjust your time settings. So firstly, mt5 does not allow you to manually change the platform's time zone. The chart time is always controlled by your broker's server time, not your device or computer. So instead of changing the mt5 time zone, your goal is to adjust your workspace so you read the charts in your own local time. So for that, you open up your mt5, go to Market Watch, tap the clock icon on mobile, or right-click and then time on PC. And you'll now see the server time your broker uses. This tells you how many hours ahead or behind it is compared to your local time. Also you can adjust time display on mobile. This doesn't change the chart time, but it helps when placing drawings or marking levels. You just open up mt5 on mobile, tap the menu, go to settings, and enable show local time. This makes your measurement tools and drawings use your device's time. And that's how mt5 time zones work. Even though you can't manually change the chart clock, now you know how to adjust mt5 so you always see time correctly for your trading. If you need more mt5 tutorials, drop a comment and I'll cover it. Thanks for watching.